Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best selfie sticks that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I've ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Selfie Stick Tripod. The Selfie Stick Tripod with wireless remote is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their photography game, whether you're capturing solo selfies or group shots during your adventures. This versatile device combines a selfie stick and tripod, extending up to 40.6 inches for those perfect angles, yet folds down to a compact 7.6 inches for easy travel. Weighing only 155 g, it's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for any outing. You'll appreciate the 360-degree rotatable phone holder and 235-degree rotation head, allowing for diverse compositions. Plus, the detachable remote lets you snap photos from up to 10 meters away, eliminating the need for timers. While some users note minor stability issues, its sturdy build and functionality make it a great addition to your photography toolkit. Moving on, at number 4, we have the TODI 63 Cell Phone Selfie Stick Tripod. Looking for a versatile solution for capturing stunning selfies and vlogs? The TODI phone tripod and selfie stick is your answer. This all-in-one design extends from 14 to 63 inches, making it perfect for any occasion. Its 360-degree rotation allows you to find the best shooting angle effortlessly. Plus, the detachable wireless remote lets you take self-timed shots from up to 33 feet away, ensuring you'll always be in the picture. Constructed from high-grade aluminum and nylon fibers, it's both durable and lightweight, fitting easily into your gym bag or backpack. While some users experienced Bluetooth pairing issues, overall feedback highlights its portability, sturdiness, and functionality, making it a top choice for content creators. At number 3, we have the Selfie Show Selfie Stick. Are you searching for a versatile tool that combines the convenience of a selfie stick with the stability of a tripod? The Selfie Show Extendable Selfie Stick Tripod with wireless remote is your perfect solution. This compact device folds down to just 7.64 inches and weighs only 150 grams, making it ideal for travel. You can extend it up to 39.76 inches for wider selfies or group shots. Its all-in-one design allows you to switch easily between a selfie stick and a tabletop tripod. Plus, the detachable remote pairs effortlessly with your smartphone for quick shots. Compatible with a wide range of devices, it even accommodates heavier phones, though stability may be a concern. Enjoy a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support with your purchase. At number 2, we have the MIIASI 62 inches Extendable Selfie Stick Tripod with wireless remote. For anyone seeking a versatile tool to enhance their photography game, the MIIASI Extendable Selfie Stick Tripod with wireless remote stands out in 2025. This 3-in-1 device functions as a selfie stick, tripod stand, and remote shutter, offering an extendable range from 11.3 to 62 inches. Weighing only 12.8 ounces, it's lightweight yet sturdy, constructed from nylon and aluminum alloy. The wireless remote allows you to snap photos from up to 10 meters away, making it perfect for group shots. With a 360-degree rotatable phone holder, you can easily find the best angle. While some users note minor issues with clamp security for larger devices, overall, it delivers great performance and value for casual photographers looking to capture every moment. And finally, at number 1, we have the MIIASI Extendable Phone Tripod for iPhone. The MIIASI Extendable Tripod is perfect for anyone who values versatility in their photography tools. With an adjustable height ranging from 17 to 62 inches, it easily accommodates your needs. Its lightweight yet sturdy aluminum alloy design guarantees stability, while anti-slip silicone pads enhance grip, even in windy conditions. You'll appreciate the 360-degree ball head for smooth adjustments, allowing for horizontal and vertical shooting. Compatible with most smartphones and cameras, this tripod is ideal for selfies, vlogs, and live streaming. Plus, the included remote lets you capture shots from up to 33 feet away. With a 1-year warranty and a 30-day return policy, you can confidently elevate your photography game with the MIIASI tripod. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.